Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Inamdar from Keyframes Online. Today I will show you a new features of 3D Max 2015. There is a lot of features has been added in 2015. It's absolutely stunning. Some of those features are very useful in walkthroughs and any other simulations what we do. So today I will show you how to get a maximum output from populate feature. So let's get started. This is what we will see. uh, so I will delete all those things first. Don't want this thing, don't want this thing. We will take we'll go to top view first. This is a simple scene. I've taken a plane and placed some vegetation over here, and this is I've shown a road kind of thing. So in that I'll go to top view. I'll say create flow. This is a brush size. We can also increase the brush size from here like this. Right click, you can go back to start. Same like spline. I don't want I have already mistaken started, right? Just right click, you will be off that command, and you want width, so this will increase the width of the brush. Right click, I don't want, I say 80, as click over here and press shift to get straight path, same like spline, and I don't want from here, so I'll right click again. I'll click on this road, press shift, I'll say right click. Now this is what we got. In this I can add the area like this. People are standing and chatting like this. Can move, and some people are sitting. This is the added feature which was not there in 2014, and they have added a feature where people are sitting and the seated people can also be oriented. So this is the feature, the best thing they have added. Again, this is the seating position absolutely on the real conditions, so we need not to have worry about this. Can rotate like this. This is the position where model will sit. Again, I'll take another one. I can reorient, I can make changes later on. The things that had gone added on this feature. Now I'll go to camera view and I can select simulate. I'll just pause. Okay, fine, it's done very fast, and this is what we got. Slightly make this surface up. Or this surface can be like this. I take another plane, like this. Give the material like this. So if I want a change in action, of course I can regenerate the appearance like this. I want this one, or this one, or this one, whichever I take. Say regenerate, it will regenerate the face. It is regenerated. And if you want to switch the resolution, right now I don't want my resolution, but if my camera is very closer to this model, I can absolutely regenerate, and again I can say re-simulate. I can change the positions of the model to re-simulate like this. Any model you can change, re-simulate any model. This one and this one, who are the ideal peoples, I can change those positions, re-simulate. And this is the a nice option. You can delete those people right away before saving the file. It has some tips over here. Before saving the file will not heavy, so at the time of final things I can say simulate, and the crowd will come what I have did with same path and same thing. So in that process I can save my time for other things which will seen will not heavy. So this is what in this tutorial I want to show in very short time. Of course these features has been added in 2014. I have already described my that tutorial of 2014, same tutorial on Populate. Do click on my left hand side link to see that 2014 Populate lecture. So it's having a great time. See you on next tutorial. Thank you.